If you're encountering a login failure on your Nintendo Switch with error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and then test connection to confirm that your connection is stable. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your Nintendo Switch completely by holding down the power button for a few seconds, then select Power Options and choose Turn Off. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your console is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 4. Verify Nintendo account credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email and password for your Nintendo account. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option on the Nintendo website. Step 5. Contact Nintendo support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Nintendo support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue on your Nintendo Switch. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from Nintendo's customer service.